Hello. Hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. What we have discussed in last class?
Sums we did, sir. Yes, sir. Rolls theorem.
Today we'll discuss Lagrange's mean value theorem.
Yes. Sir, today also sir didn't come.
आप पढ़ लो बाबा, आप पढ़ लो यहाँ पे एग्जाम देखो फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी से एमजे मैसेज रहता है
Internal, sir.
आप पढ़ लो आप डिपेंड मत रहिए किसी पे भी मत रहिए आप पढ़ लीजिए
Yes, sir. ये चैप्टर का नाम क्या है सर?
कैलकुलस ऑफ वन वेरिएबल
और एक चैप्टर रहता नहीं सर? ये हो गया वो?
2.5 यूनिट्स
सर एग्जाम पैटर्न भी बताना है सर आप.
हाँ
एग्जाम पैटर्न.
पैटर्न क्या रहता दिस इज एक्चुअली 20 मार्क्स 30 मार्क्स इंटरनल CI1 30 मार्क्स का रहता
Yes.
30 मार्क्स that 10 marks is 5 for assignment 5 for your discipline and your attendance and remaining 20 marks that is your question paper. That question paper will be divided into two sections. Section 1 that is for 6 marks and each question will be given for 2 marks 3 questions 6 marks and then 2 long answer 7 marks questions 7 2s are 14 14 plus 6
Or
20.
internal you are saying?
Yeah, internal 30 marks will be there. Out of 30 you have to score minimum 12 marks. Minimum 12 marks
Yes.
the passing marks. ठीक है
Yes.
सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो दो या ना हो दो आपको जो भी लोग पढ़ाए उसमें से क्वेश्चन दे डालते हैं आपको अब असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन असाइनमेंट दिए आपको
नहीं सर.
असाइनमेंट जो दिए उसमें से ही
अभी तो
क्वेश्चन
DLM बेट के 4 ही छुए सर सम्स और कुछ भी नहीं हो.
प्रॉब्लम में है आप बहुत पीछे है आप लोगों हमारे पास 2 यूनिट खत्म होकर तीसरे यूनिट स्टार्ट करना है बहुत पीछे आप लोग so I'll be writing the statement here. This question is also a very important question for long answer. They may ask you to prove state and proof statement and as well as proof. So first
Yes.
I will be writing the statement. So what is the statement? You can see. Let f of x be a function. Let f of x be a function such that let f of x be a function such that the first condition number one f of x is same thing like a Rolle's theorem. Here also the function should be continuous.
अच्छा. First is say.
Yeah, first will be same. Continuous on closed interval a comma b. There will also be continuous function. Here also the function must be continuous function. The second condition here is f of x should be differentiable. वहाँ पे भी यही था. Differentiable on open interval a comma b. Two conditions both are same, but we don't have third condition here. So then there exists a point. There exists a point C belongs to A comma B such that we have a formula here. This is f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A. This is the statement of Lagrange's mean value theorem.
Lagrange.
First two conditions
Yes.
of Rolle's theorem only here. Third
Same.
condition we don't
Yes.
have. Then there exists a point. This statement also same, but there we have f dash of C is equal to 0. Here we have f dash of C is equal to f of B. Class is going on. Okay, Amtur Rahman. Class is going on. F of B minus f of A by B minus A.
B minus.
We have to
Yes.
prove, first of all, we are going to be proof this one. We have a proof now. First we have to prove this one, and then we have to use this one as a formula.
Yes.
Yeah, proof. You should remember that how I am going to prove this one. Okay. So what I am going
Yes.
to do it here is, you see, what is that our f of x? F of x is continuous function. F of x is differentiable function. So I want to
Yes,
use this advantage, this point I want to use. For that, what I'm doing here in proof, what I'm doing here is define a function. Actually, I'm going to define a function here. You should memorize this one, how we are proving. Define a function. Define a function capital F of x such that, define a function capital F of x such that capital F of x is equal to, capital F of x is equal to small f of x plus a into x. This is equal
Yes, sir.
to small f of x plus k into, not k, it's a into x. This is called as equation number 1. Can you tell me that statement of Rolle's theorem first of all? What is this? F of x be a function such that f of x is continuous on closed interval a comma b.
Close.
F of x is differentiable open interval a comma b. F of a is equal to f of b. Then
F
there
of B.
exists a point C belongs to a comma b such that f dash of C is equal to 0.
0.
Okay, वो
Yes, sir.
तीनों पॉइंट्स को आप माइंड में रख के इसको प्रूफ कर सकते हैं. Okay, define a function capital F of x such that capital F of x is equal to small f of x plus a of x, where k is chosen, where k
Yes.
is chosen to be capital F of a is equal to
F
capital
of,
F of b. F of a is equal to
Yes.
f of b. कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हुए जैसा k को चूज करना है आपको. ये दो पॉइंट्स थोड़ा सा लिटिल कंफ्यूज्ड. यू हैव टू मेमोराइज दिस वन, दिस 2 पॉइंट्स. इसके बाद का काम
Yes,
आपका
sir.
बहुत आसान रह जाता. देखिए अभी
जी,
देखिए
sir.
फर्स्ट कंडीशन रोल्स थ्योरम अप्लाई करने के लिए यू कैन सी इन आवर स्टेटमेंट क्या स्मॉल f of x is a continuous function. It is given already now.
Yes, sir.
अमतुर रहमान, अमतुर रहमान, अमतुल, एक भी आवाज नहीं आ रहा, बोल दो शुक्रिया. क्लास है. कैपिटल F of x is equal to here
Yes, sir.
in our statement itself given that f of x is continuous function. F of x and what about x? X is a polynomial, no?
Polynomial. Yes, sir.
F
Continue.
of x and x is a continuous
Continuous.
and differentiable function. And together I am writing both of the conditions together, and
Yes, sir.
differentiable
Differential.
on close interval a comma b and open interval a comma b respectively.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, respectively.
Differentiable
मतलब derivative exist.
Yes, sir.
So what is the sum of these two? These two will be capital F of x, no? Sum of these two will be
Yes,
capital F
sir.
of x.
Capital
So
F of X.
therefore capital F of X also, capital F of X also,
Which two sum you are saying, sir?
sum of this one and this one, F of X
Yes, sir.
and X sum, where A is a constant. F of X and capital F of X sum is capital F of X. Sum of these two is this one now.
So F of X and
X,
X.
this one and this one. Sum of these two is this one now.
Capital F of X, yes, sir.
F of X also continuous and differentiable, on closed interval a comma b and open interval a comma b respectively. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Respectively. Now you can notice here, by Rolle's theorem, therefore, by Rolle's theorem, यहाँ पे आप by Rolle's theorem भी लिख सकते हैं या नहीं तो ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं पहले तो. You can write in this way also, this way, like that. Therefore, capital F of X satisfies all conditions of all.
Roll.
Yes, because third condition satisfied here. Order में नहीं है मगर condition तो हो रहा है. F of A is equal to F of B, third condition. F of X is continuous, first condition. F of X is differentiable,
Yes, sir.
second condition. Capital F of X satisfies all conditions of.
Rolls here.
Yes, because I want to use that point. Conditions of Rolle's theorem. अपन Rolle's theorem की help से prove कर रहे हैं.
आप
Rolle's
statement
theorem.
लिखते हैं शायद.
हाँ, नहीं statement नहीं लिखते.
Yes.
By Rolle's theorem, there exists a point.
Yes.
There exists a
Okay.
point. C belongs to A comma B such that what is the statement of Rolle's theorem? Capital F of C is equal to 0. थोड़ा डिफरेंस देंगे अपन, क्या क्यों बोलते फंक्शन अलग है ना अपना. कैपिटल F of X है, स्मॉल f of X नहीं है. ठीक है ना.
कैपिटल कैलकुलेटर
पूरा कैपिटल पे बात कर रहे हैं ना अपन. यहाँ से पढ़िए सेकंड लाइन, F of X is continuous. कैपिटल F of X है.
मीनिंग तो एक ही होता ना.
मीनिंग तो एक ही होता मगर थोड़ा डिफरेंस दे रहे हैं अपन. थोड़ा अलग
Yes,
नेम दे रहे हैं, कैपिटल बोल के नेम दे रहे हैं. ठीक है.
यस सर.
ओके ना.
यस सर.
अभी देखिए, so f dash of C is equal to 0. Then after this step, what I'm going to do it here is differentiate equation number 1 with respect to X. Differentiate.
Yes, sir.
Equation number 1 with respect to
X.
With respect to X. So what happened? Tell me what happened.
F of
Capital
X.
F dash of X is equal to, correct now?
Yes,
derivative of capital F of X is F dash of X.
Yes, sir.
It is also F dash of X. F dash of X plus A only, right? Because the differentiation of X with respect to X is 1.
1.
Yes.
Constant is constant.
That's it. Put X is equal to C here.
Yes.
So if I am substituting put X is equal to C, what will happen here? Tell me. F dash
capital of F dash of C
is equal to small F dash of C plus A. But already we know that F dash of C value will be equal to 0.
0. Yes.
Is equal to F dash of A plus capital A. Right now?
Yes. This is Rolle's theorem we are applying.
Rolle's theorem we are applying. Finally, what we are getting the answer, F dash of C value is equal to minus A.
Minus A, sir.
Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Actually, अपने को proof क्या करना है यहाँ देख लीजिए आप ऊपर. We have to prove this one. F dash of C is equal to F of B minus F of A by B minus A. We have to prove.
B minus A.
Right?
Yes.
वो proof करने के लिए ये काम कर रहे हैं पूरा. यहाँ तक कुछ doubt है?
No, sir.
Also, I want to use this condition. F of A is equal to F of B. Also, we have F of A, not small, it's a capital.
Yes.
Capital. F of A is equal to capital F of B.
Yes.
So what, how to get this value? We have our f of x value. What is that? क्या करें अपन? Define f of x is equal to small f of x
small f of
plus a of x we are
A.
taking now.
Yes, sir.
So how to get f of a value? Simply replace x with a, right?
Yes, sir.
Then we are getting f of a plus a into a
Equals to
is equal to f of b
f of
plus a
Asha.
into
Yes,
b.
sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. This one bring that side. This one take this side. AA
AB
minus AB is equal to
equals to f
f
of
of
B
b
minus
minus
f of
f of a. F of b
Yes.
minus f of a. So
Yes, sir.
can I take minus a common?
Yes, sir.
Minus a common means it is becomes b minus a
Yes, sir.
equal to
Equals to
f of b
minus f of
minus f of a.
Yes, sir.
Then finally, what is the minus a value here? Tell me. Minus a is
Up
equal
we
to
can
minus a is equal to, it is becomes f of b minus
yes, sir.
f of a by
B minus A.
minus a. But what about
Yes.
minus a value? What is minus a value?
Up.
Minus a value is
F dash of C.
substitute here.
Yes, sir.
F dash of c we
Proof.
have to substitute here. F dash of c is equal to, finally we proved that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus
F of B minus
f of a by b minus a.
B minus
Very
A.
very
Yes.
important proof of Lagrange's mean value theorem is over.
Yes.
ठीक है, अब मैं थोड़ा स्क्रॉल अप करता हूँ, एक बार देखो आप. अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
starting from here, you should remember the statement. Without
Yes.
statement, sometimes in exam they may ask you to write only the statement. Only
Yes.
the statement. So statement you have to write. And sometimes they may ask you to write the proof. Sometimes they may ask you to write the geometrical interpretation of Lagrange's mean value theorem.
Yes, sir. Sir, down can you scroll?
This we have to define a function. This line you have to memorize.
Yes,
Capital
sir.
F of x is equal to small x, f of x plus a of x, where k is to be
Only the
chosen.
starting we have to need to memorize.
This two line you have to remember. Then f of x is
Yes.
continuous, that you can do it. X is continuous because sum of these two is this one, so this is also continuous. So then we are applying Rolle's theorem, f dash of c equal to
Rolle's
0.
theorem.
Differentiating
Yes.
one, substituting f dash of c value, using the condition of f of a is equal to f of b. Finally we prove.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Easy
F
है.
dash of yes, sir. Yes. Understood.
उसके बाद immediately
Sum, sir, on Lagrange.
Cauchy's.
इसके
ये
ऊपर
दोनों-
सम्स नहीं है क्या?
नहीं, दोनों ये सिमिलर है. ये थोड़ा भी नहीं भूलना आप. ये अभी आपके जो माइंड में है ना,
जी सर.
यही थ्योरम का थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंशन है. Cauchy's mean value theorem.
Yes, sir. टोटल कितने हैं सर इसमें theorems?
We have Rolle's theorem, we have Lagrange's mean value theorem, we have Cauchy's mean value theorem, we have Taylor's theorem. Only 4. Half of the unit ये 4 थ्योरम होते हैं. ठीक है, ये 4 थ्योरमों के प्रॉब्लम्स, प्रूफ, ज्योमेट्रिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन Cauchy's का नहीं है, Taylor's theorem का प्रूफ नहीं है. We have only problems based on Taylor's theorem. ठीक है.
Yes.
So I'll be writing the statement here. You can see, let f maps from a comma b to r, a comma b to r, and comma g maps from, we have two functions here. Till now we are talking about only one function. Now little extension, we have to talk about two functions. F comma
Yes.
f maps from a comma b to r, g maps from a comma b to r are such that first condition, till now we are talking about f is continuous function, f of x. Here f
Yes,
comma
sir.
g are continuous. Obviously f means f of x only.
Yes, sir.
This is the first
G
condition.
में
G means g
Yes.
of x only. F
Yes,
of x
sir.
is continuous on close interval a comma b. First condition. Second condition, here we have f comma g both are differentiable. Differentiable
Yes.
or derivable, both are same.
Yes.
Differentiable
Yes, sir.
on open interval a
Closed
comma
in.
b.
Open.
अब आप लोग क्लास में तो खाली जाके बैठ के आ रहे हैं बस.
दूसरे सर ले ले रहे फिजिक्स.
फिजिक्स अब मैकेनिकल के है ना, राइट.
Yes.
थर्ड कंडीशन, g dash of x not equal to 0. g dash of x not equal to 0 for all. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा थर्ड कंडीशन अलग है. a comma b थर्ड कंडीशन भी रहता है इसमें. Then there exists a point. There exists a point c belongs to a comma b such that f dash of c by g dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. This is the statement of
Yes,
Cauchy's mean value theorem. ठीक है ना? f of x
Yes,
continuous
yes.
नहीं है. f of x and g of x both are continuous.
Both
f
are
of x and g
yes.
of x both are differentiable.
Yes, sir.
And third condition is
Third-
also g dash of x not equal to 0. मतलब g
Yes.
dash of x आप वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हो, 0 नहीं आना.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? 0 नहीं हो सकता
Yeah.
इधर. वहां पे अपन जब अभी तक करे अपन f of x 0 भी आ सकता, डिफरेंशिएबल करे तो आंसर 0 भी आ सकता.
Zero.
बट
भी
इधर
आ सकता है,
0 नहीं
yes.
आना है. 0 आ गया तो फिर आपको कोचीज मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम नॉट एप्लीकेबल हो जाता.
Not. Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? सो देन फार्मूला आल्सो डिफरेंट. f dash of c by g dash of c, f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a.
Geo.
ओके,
Geo. Yes.
यू सी द प्रूफ. ये इन दोनों को, ये दोनों ब्रदर्स है. इसका प्रूफ उसका प्रूफ ऑलमोस्ट सेम रहता है, इसीलिए मैं इमीडिएट इसके साथ ये कर रहा हूँ. डिफाइन ए फंक्शन
Yes,
f of x बोले ना, यहाँ पे भी अपन एक फंक्शन डिफाइन करेंगे. f नहीं लेंगे, इसका कंफ्यूजन होता तो दूसरा ले लेंगे.
Yes.
तो लेके मैं अभी इसका प्रूफ लिख रहा हूँ. अच्छा देखिए आप.
Yes, sir.
ओके, प्रूफ. We have to define a function again. Define a function. Define a function. I will be taking different one. Phi of x such that phi of x is equal to small f of x plus some constant into small g of x. ठीक है?
Same, sir.
नहीं, सेम नहीं हुआ. f of x plus a into x बोल के लिखे उधर. यहाँ पे
अच्छा.
g of x लिख रहे ना.
G of X. Yes, sir.
where k,
ये भी याद कर लेना था सर.
yes,
बस ये लाइन.
yes, बस first line where k
Yes.
is chosen to be phi of a is equal to phi of b. So we have to choose a function in that way. ये function define
Yes,
करना
sir.
और phi of a is equal to phi of b. Now
Phi
we
of-
start our
yes.
regular work. Here, according to the statement here, f of x comma g of x are what is that?
Continuous.
Yes, are
Continuous. And
continuous
differentiable.
are
Yes, sir.
continuous
And
on
differential
and differentiable
on
on
closed interval
a
a comma
comma
b
b
and
and
open interval a comma b.
closed interval a comma b and open interval a comma b respectively.
Yes, sir.
Respectively. ठीक है ना? So
Yes.
sum of these two will be what? Phi of x now?
Yes,
Sum
sir.
of these two will be phi of x. Therefore, phi of x
But
is
k is not there, no, sir.
k is a constant.
Yes, sir.
Phi of x is also continuous. Phi
And
of x is also continuous and differentiable.
yes,
Continuous
closed
and
interval
differentiable on
on
closed interval a comma
a
b
comma b
and
and
open interval a comma b respectively.
respectively.
Right? Now, two conditions of Rolle's theorem satisfied, and above the third
Yes.
condition also satisfied. So what do you say here? Therefore, phi of x satisfies
Yes.
phi of x satisfies all conditions of
Roles.
yes conditions of
Yes.
Rolle's theorem.
Roles.
अब्दुल मुखिद को मत जाने दो. कहाँ जा रहे तुम? वो कपड़े सिर पे ले जाना है, ठहर जाओ. Rolle's theorem. All conditions of Rolle's theorem, then there exists a point C belongs to A comma B such that what do you say? F dash of C. No, phi dash phi में बोल रहे ना अपन.
अच्छा. Yes, sir. Pi
Phi
dash
dash
of
of C is equal to
C
0.
0. Yes.
Right now?
Third.
Now
Yes, sir.
differentiate equation number 1 with respect to
Condition number.
x. Correct? यही
Sir,
वर्क
one
करे ना.
second, sir.
प्रीवियस में भी यही
थोड़ा
काम
ऊपर
करते हैं.
करिए.
देख यहाँ भी वही काम करे. सेम स्टोरी.
हाँ, yes, sir.
So this is our equation number 1. Phi of x is equal to f of x plus k into g of x. तो यहीं
Pi
से मैं
dash of
डिफरेंस
x.
इधर ही बतला देता हूँ. Phi dash of x is equal to how it is becomes small f dash of x plus k
plus
into
k
into
g dash of x.
g dash of x. Now we
Yes.
have to use simply replace x with c. What happened? Tell me. When I am replacing
Phi dash of c.
phi dash of c is equal to
Phi
f
dash
dash
of
of c
f dash of c
plus
plus
k into
g dash
g
of c.
dash of c.
Yes, sir.
But already we know this value is 0. है ना?
Yes, sir.
This is f dash of c plus k into g dash of c. Okay?
Yes.
Bring this value that side. F dash of c is equal to minus k into g dash of c. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So then minus k value means g dash of c will comes to the denominator. I want to make it minus k as a subject. F dash of c by g dash of c. Correct?
C. Yes, sir.
I want
Yes,
to make it
but-
minus k as a subject.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now continue. Also we have this condition also. No, phi of a is equal to phi of b.
Yes.
ए मत जाने दो उसको. बोले तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा. phi of x is what we are having here, f of x plus, क्या बोला मैं आपको, कपड़े दे के आना है,
f of
थोड़ी देर रुको अब भी,
ये
अगर जाएंगे ना तो अच्छी बात नहीं रहेगी, पहले बोल रहा हूँ मैं। अब्दुल मुखीद, यहाँ बैठ जाओ। Okay, first x replace with a, what you will get it, tell me.
x
Yes, f of a,
phi dash of a
f of a plus k into
K
g of a,
g of
correct?
a, yes.
And if
Yes.
you replace with b, what happened?
f of b plus k
plus
into g of b.
k into g of b, g of b.
Yes, sir.
So after this one, we have to simplify. Just take this value that side, this one that side, and this one this
Yes,
side.
sir.
So we have here k into g of a minus k into g of b
g of yes, sir.
is equal to f of a, sorry, f of b minus f of a.
f of a, yes, sir.
So we are going to take minus k as a common term. So we are getting g of b minus
G of
g of a, because I'm taking minus common, the order will change.
yes, sir. Change, yes.
Is equal to f of b minus
f of a.
f of a. Then finally,
Yes.
what about this minus k becomes? What about this minus k becomes? Is equal to f of b
f of b minus f of a by g of
f
b
of
minus g
a
of
by g of b minus
g of a.
g of a. But what is
Yes.
minus k value? What is minus k value? You can see
f
up,
dash of c. Yes,
f
sir.
dash of c by g dash of c. Yeah, this is minus k value, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
F dash of c by g dash of c
G dash c. Yes.
is equals to f of b minus f of a by g of b minus
G of
g of a. This is the end of this
Yes.
theorem. Very very important theorem से देखिए, important, very very important. ठीक है?
yes, sir.
You have to memorize the functions, how you are going to define. Depends upon these functions only. You have to write the proof of this.
Yes, sir.
दोनों theorems हो गए आपके complete. अभी दोनों के ऊपर एक साथ प्रॉब्लम करेंगे,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? ज्योमेट्रिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन के लिए फिर अपने को ये क्या बोलते हैं, जूम का व्हाइट बोर्ड यूज करना पड़ता है, थोड़ा फिगर्स ड्रॉ करना है इसमें.
एग्जाम में भी रहते सर फिगर.
यस, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ ज्योमेट्रिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन में कंपल्सरी फिगर ड्रॉ करना है. खाली फिगर पे ही डिपेंड करता है वो, क्या भी नहीं.
Yes, sir.
एनी डाउट इन दिस?
I will practice once, sir. Then I
या
will
यू
have to.
हैव टू प्रैक्टिस, यू हैव टू बी
Yes.
प्रैक्टिस.
Yes.
ये वीक में कैसा भी आपको हाफ ऑफ द यूनिट कंप्लीट कर लेना है, फिर रेडियस ऑफ
जी,
कर्वेचर
जी.
कर ले सकते, फिर एग्जाम के लिए आपको अब असाइनमेंट कैसे देते कि आपको वो देखना. अभी
जी,
असाइनमेंट तो आपको नहीं दिए, असाइनमेंट में से ही क्वेश्चन पेपर आता. अभी तो आपके
अच्छा.
फैकल्टी आ रहे भी नहीं बोले ना,
जी सर.
आपको असाइनमेंट दिए तो फिर मैं आपको असाइनमेंट के हिसाब से प्रैक्टिस करवाता.
प्रैक्टिस कर. Yes.
असाइनमेंट में से क्वेश्चन पेपर बनता.
जी सर.
मैं तो 35 क्वेश्चन दिया हमारे पास असाइनमेंट बोल.
वही जो मेरे को भेजे ना सर.
हाँ, तो 35 और थोड़ा इसमें ऐड करें. 35 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर फॉर असाइनमेंट. आउट ऑफ 35
जी,
यू विल गेट द क्वेश्चन. हमारे पास कॉमनली वही रहता. अब एक आध क्वेश्चन आगे पीछे हो सकता, बट ऑलमोस्ट वही क्वेश्चन आ रहा है हर कॉलेज.
Yes.
ठीक है, नो डाउट नाउ.
Okay, sir. No
I'll
doubt.
be end of this meeting. Tomorrow
Okay,
onwards
sir.
we have to do the problems. इसका अच्छी प्रैक्टिस कर लो आप. अगर आपको
जी, sir.
स्टेटमेंट याद है तो इस प्रॉब्लम हो सकते फिर.
जी हाँ सर.
ठीक है ना?
I'll
अच्छा प्रैक्टिस कर लो.
I'll
I'll send
practice.
this one. हाँ,
Yes, sir.
okay.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Thank you.